We're down here in Worthington, Indiana right now, waiting on our ride to the dyno. Finally got the old man to hook the rig up, come pick us up. He's gonna take us down to the dyno. We're gonna see what kind of power this baby's got today, so you guys might want to keep watching because you're not gonna want to miss it.
Most of the people that have no dreams will wake up every day trying to talk you out of your dreams. They have no goals. They have nothing that they're ambitious about.
Birds of a feather flock together. You run around with losers, you will end up a loser. Unconsciously. Unconsciously, you will pick up their ways, you'll pick up their habits, you'll pick up, most importantly, their attitude about life.
Cause my monsters are real, and they're trained how to kill, and there's no coming back, and they just laugh at how I feel. And these monsters can fight, and they'll never say die.
There you go, Tim. Keep her steady, buddy. Thing sure does look pretty though, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Get her done. Get her done, boy. Give me a rebel yell, boy. All right, if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. Up next, hopefully we're gonna have this baby done. As you can tell, we've got a lot done on it. And there's the rest of the trusses and everything else. So we're gonna get this done, and then hopefully we might race a couple weekends from now. But we want to get a lot more done on this barn before we start racing. So work's going good. Damon, what do you think about the new carburetor?
Dude, it's sick.
Pretty freaking sweet, huh? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below if you like the videos. There's gonna be a lot more racing videos where that came from. Come on.